Good guys, here we go back at this Ram 1500 guys that keep coming in for the purge valve code. Well guys, my part came in. Here's my part. This is the hose for the vent hose from the, not even the vent hose from the canister to the tank, the rollover valve. Look how they got this set up guys. They put an external hose, they put a water hose on it, and as you can see it was crimped up right here, and it kept setting purge code. It's like 3 brand new purge valves has been put on here. Well, here's the hose guys. I still say they could have pulled this off had they routed this a little differently, because you see the new one go like this. All right, so which tells me all they had to do was route this under here and not route it this way. It wouldn't have got pinched. See, it's pinched right here and it stops it up. All right, that is not good. So in other words, I got a full explanation coming up, guys, on a full video. Y'all stay tuned for that. But yeah, my part's here for this hose. I'm about to get this put on, and we're gonna take care of this purge system. All right, let's get it.